The high informs you that the result of the glucose level is over 600 milligrams per deciliter. This indicates hyperglycemia. If the high message reappears on retesting, you must inform your healthcare professional immediately. The low informs you that the result of the glucose level is less than 20 milligrams per deciliter. This indicates hypoglycemia. If the low message reappears on retesting, you must inform your doctor immediately. Please contact your authorized i-SENS sales representative if such messages are displayed even if you do not have hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia. This message informs you to change the batteries. Please change the batteries with new ones as soon as the message appears for the first time. This message informs you that you are using an already used test strip. Please retest your glucose level using a new test strip. This message appears when blood or control solution sample was inserted before the blood insertion symbol appears on the meter. Repeat the test with a new test strip and wait until the blood insertion symbol appears before applying the blood or control solution sample. This message appears when viscosity of blood was too high or insufficient amount of blood had been inserted. Insert a new test strip and retest. This message may appear when the wrong blood glucose test strip is used instead of the CareSens N test strip. Insert a proper CareSens N test strip and retest. This message appears when there is a problem with the meter. Please contact your authorized i-SENS sales representative. This message appears when the surrounding temperature was higher than the range of operating temperature. Move to an area where the temperature is within the operating range, 10 to 40 degrees Celsius or 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Repeat the test after the meter and test strips have reached a temperature within the operating range. This message appears when surrounding temperature was lower than the range of operating temperature. Move to an area where the temperature is within the operating range, 10 to 40 degrees Celsius or 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Repeat the test after the meter and test strips have reached a temperature within the operating range.